Boss Babes and Gens, it's your girl, Lashonda Catrice, your go-to for all things digital hustle and passive income. If you've been wanting to start selling digital products, coaching sessions, affiliate links without needing a full-blown website, then Stan Store is about to be your new best friend. I'm about to walk you through exactly how to set up your store and how to grab a 14-day trial so you can test it out before you spend a coin. Let's go. All right, so first thing first, head down to my link in the description to start your free trial. Once you're in, this will be your Stan Store dashboard. So I'm just going to start with the links that's on the side here so you can just see what's inside. So this first link is the home page. So with the home page, you're able to complete your store setup. You can add your profile picture. You can add your social media platforms. You can also create your first product right here from this home page. The second link is My Store. So My Store is where you're able to see all of your digital products all in one place. Here you can also add your product here from the My Store section, and you can also break down your store into different sections. So just say if you have ebooks, you can have that to be one section. If you have courses, you can have a section just for courses, or if you have any type of coaching calls, you can have a section for your coaching calls and a section for your affiliate link, which makes it a lot easier for your customers to go through and browse your store. The next link is landing page. So a landing page is basically if you have an exclusive product, you can have a link that's just going to go directly to that product. It is hidden from your storefront, so it's just for specific offers that you have for your customers where they can go directly to that landing page for that product. The next link in My Store would be the edit design. So with the edit design, it's pretty much where you can edit your store here to where it can match your branding. So here you can select whatever colors that you have for your branding. All you would need is the hex code. You just plug that in and it would change the store colors to your branding. You also have the font. So with the font, you can choose whatever fonts that you want for your store. And then all you would do, of course, is just save that. And then you will also just see the preview of your store right here on the side here. The next link here would be income. So income here is just where you can see the information from your sales. You'll have your date, your time, the email that the customer used, the product that they bought, how much they paid, if they used the discount code, what payment method they use, and the status of that purchase. Here you have the cash out option. So this is once you make your money in Stan Store, you can cash it out and have it transferred to your bank account. I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Set up your profile, and that's just your name, your username, pretty much that a 9 out of 10 be your name of your store, the email, your phone number, and your password information, whatever analytics that you have, if you have any type of Facebook or Google Pixels. Also, that address can be your business address or whatever virtual address that you use for your business, or your home address if that's what you use for your business. So that's totally up to you what you want to use. You do also have the option to have the Stan Store referral banner. Here is the Google Calendar. Here you can have everything in one place where if anyone book with you, you'll be able to see it through your Google Calendar. If they book through Stan Store, you'll be able to see it on your Google Calendar. So you can integrate that here in Stan Store. You can also integrate Zoom with Stan Store, which basically simplifies your scheduling process and automatically sends a Zoom meeting link to the customers who book on your calendar. You do have Zapier, which you can connect, which is a third-party tool, and it basically just help automate your process. So if you have that, you can integrate it to Stan Store as well. You also have Instagram. So if you want to set up automated replies, you can connect your Instagram account and it automatically replies to Instagram messages and comments. Next thing is your billing. So with your billing, you'll see your Stan Store subscription. If you do the $29 creator plan, or if you do the creator pro plan, which is $99 a month, here you can see when the trial expires and you'll see your payment details. You can cancel the subscription here, or you can change your plan here as well. And then of course you'll have your invoices here that shows your monthly payments. These are the payments that you would start collecting from your customers. So you would need a Stripe account, or you can add PayPal. That's just letting the customers know these are the terms of whatever. Just say if you're doing a digital product, for instance, normally with digital products, there is no refunds due to the type of product that it is. So you will want to put that in your terms and conditions. So whatever your terms and conditions is, you can put it there. Now, Stand Store does have a template for that, so you can use the template. Let me see if it shows. So you can actually use this template and just fill in the information. So if you want to use Stand Store default terms and conditions, you can do that, or you can of course go in, take that out, and of course create your own. So you can type in your own terms and conditions right here. And of course, if you speak a different language, you can come in and you can change your store language to the language that you prefer. With the email notifications here, you can get notifications when you get calendar bookings, when orders has been fulfilled, purchase confirmations, if any of your leads has been captured, any type of membership cancellation. So if you start a membership, you'll be able to see the notifications for the membership that you have. And then, of course, any type of recurring payment. So you'll be able to get notifications for all of those things. You have security. With security, you have your two-step verification, which is just an extra layer of security for your account when you log in. All right, so the next thing is analytics. So your analytics, you have where you can do 7 days, 14 days. Of course, you'll be able to, through the month, how much you've made, how many people has visited your stores, how many people have signed up through your lead magnet. So you'll be able to see that information here. Then of course you can do a custom range if you want to do it within the whole year, do it within a month, within a week, on how much money you are making or how many people are coming to your store. Next thing is customers. So my customers, this is where you'll have all of your customer information. This is where you're going to grow your email list here, which would be great because you own your email list versus if anything was to happen to just say social media, you'll always be able to reach out to the customers that has purchased from you or subscribe to your lead magnet. Also, here you can add contacts. So if you already have your own email marketing list, you can add it here. So just say if you have like Flowdesk or MailChimp, or if you have a Beacons account, you've already collected emails and names from your customers, you can import that list here as a CSV file, and it will of course add all your contacts here. So you do have an option to manually do it, or it will automatically capture it once your customer come to your store and plug in their information. So you'll be able to have their name, email, how long they've been with you, what purchases they've made, how much they spent, what product they purchased, if they have an active subscription, and so on. So definitely love that. The next thing is auto DM. Now, this is something that I definitely use here on my store personally, and I really enjoy because it actually helps me out and save me time. So this is where you can put your socials on autopilot. What I mean by that is with here, you can connect your Instagram store. Once you connect your Instagram here, if you ever see on Instagram where a creator may put, if you comment the word digital, I'll send you my free digital product. And then you see in the comments that the followers are commenting digital. So once they comment digital, Stand Store will automatically send that customer your digital product. So nothing you have to do there because you would set it up before time and it will automatically do it every time, which is a great feature to have, especially if you are selling on social media. Next thing here is you can add appointments where you want to keep up with your meetings. Of course, again, if you want to start advertising Stand Store and get referrals, you can add that banner on. You can also do email flows where you can send automatic emails. So once a customer purchases your product, you can send an email flow. The email flow is just basically where you keeping in contact with your customer, you welcome them, and thanking them for purchasing your product. And then, of course, if they went through your lead magnet, you probably definitely want to set up an email flow because you want to, of course, start warming them up for your paid products. So there you can build that flow there, where you can start with like, welcome, thank you so much for purchasing this product. And then maybe 2-3 days later, you want to let them know, hey, I got a great offer for you right now because you got the free lead magnet. I'm offering 10% off on this product. And of course, they will go in, of course, check it out, see if it's something that they want and purchase it. And that's just pretty much through the email flow that you have set up. You how to add a digital product, right? So the first thing first is you're going to go to add product. And then once you add product, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. So here you're going to pick your style, and that could be a button, it could be a call out, or it could be preview. So whichever one you prefer, you can of course choose that. Then you're going to add your title. My title here is my digital product. Then you're going to add your thumbnail. So your thumbnail, you can either choose Stand Store thumbnails that they have available, which I can show you that. Here are the different images that they have. So you can either use those or you can always upload your own image. Once you do that, then you're going to go over to your checkout page. Your checkout page here is where you're going to, you can add another image here. You can add pretty much whatever you want to add here to make the page look good. You'll also add your price, so whatever the price of your product is. You can also add a discount price. So just say if the price of this product was originally $27, you can put that there to show that it is on sale now. And then you'll add your title, my digital product, and then here you'll add your description. Normally, Stand Store, I already have a description here, like a description template. So you can either use that template or create your own description and just go from there. Be able to add your description here. Normally with Stand Store have their own descriptions template here that you can plug in the information, or you can create your own description. So just a pro tip, keep your description short and mainly just highlight the benefits of the product to where people can see how your product can benefit them. The next thing would be the buy section headline. So you can put get my guide, and how to get the guide is here where they can add their name and email. So you will be able to collect their information on who's purchasing the product, and of course to where you can send out your emails. Then here you have the your buy button. So you can put whatever you want here. Purchase, buy now. So here you can just put buy now. And then this will be your collect info field. So here, whatever information you want to collect from your customer, you can have the name, email. You can add phone number if you're doing SMS marketing. If you want to do a drop down or just whatever benefits your product, you can do it here. But for now, I'm just going to go with just name and email, make it simple. Then here you can upload your digital product. Here, if you already have the file, all you have to do is go to choose file. Files come up, you choose whatever file you want, and whether it's a PDF, whatever it is, you'll just add that here. So as you see, I have affiliate email templates volume 1 PDF. So all they have to do is just click download, and it'll download it to their and the customer can download it straight from my confirmation page. Or you can redirect to a URL. So you just put in the URL information, title it, and it'll send it over directly to your customer. Next thing is add-ons. So add-ons are just used if you want to boost the digital product. You can add reviews. So if you already have reviews from your digital product, you can add that in. Pretty much you just put the customer name, whatever review they had. If you have an image for them, you can put that information in. Email flow, so you can set up email flow to where it automatically sends emails to your customers for this particular product. I can do order bump. Order bump is through Creator Pro. So if you want to upgrade to Creator Pro, you can do order bumps. And pretty much an order bump is just pretty much when you have a product and you want to do an additional product. So just say if you did, let me see, a good example will probably be like if you had a lead magnet. So with the lead magnet, of course, 9 out of 10 is free. And you want to lead them to one of your, that ain't the best description. Let me see. So with Order Bump is an optional offer that's shown right on the checkout page. So usually just before someone clicks buy, it's typically a lower price product that complements the main offer, like a bonus guide, workbook, or a template. Think of it like, want to add this for just $9 more? It's a quick one-click way to boost your sales without needing more customers. You're just offering more value to the ones that's already buying. All right, then you have affiliate share. So if you want to distribute resale rights for your product, you can do that. So you can offer your customers to resell your product for a commission. So I feel like that is a great thing. You get your product to a different audience. Next thing is the email confirmation. So the email confirmation, it already comes with the template. So all you'll have to do is just use the template. And of course, you send it out to your customers, or you can, of course, create your own email confirmation details. But you definitely want to make sure the highlighted parts, you want to keep those in. And then, of course, just add whatever information you want to add. And of course, here in the advanced, this is just your page URL. So this is where you can add on to, like, just say your social media bio. Wherever you want to put your link, you can just copy and paste this and add it to that platform. Once you are done adding your digital product, all you're going to do is hit publish, and there you go. You have added your first digital product. Your digital storefront is up and ready to make money while you sip coffee, work your 9 to 5, or just chill on the couch. If you want to try Stand Store for yourself, click the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial. Test it out, upload your offer, and start selling like the CEO you are. Got questions? Drop a comment or DM me on Instagram at SocialGemLK. I'll help you set it up like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your content creator bestie. See you in the next video.